How to fix Instagram incorrect password problem on iPhone iOS 18. If you are going through this, then you are not alone. This glitch can be caused by outdated app data, iCloud keychain conflicts, or network issues. So let's fix it step by step. First of all, start with restarting your iPhone. Wait a few seconds and power it back on. Sometimes a reboot is all it takes to fix these issues. Now, all you have to do is recheck your password. Open Safari in your mobile device. Then once inside the Safari, go to the Instagram.com. And once you are in the Instagram.com, simply try logging in there to confirm your username and passwords are correct. If it works on the web but not in the app, it's likely an app bug but not your password. Once done so, all you have to do is go back to the home screen on your iPhone. Now, once on your home screen, all you have to do is long press on the Instagram app and tap on the remove app option available there and delete the app and re-download it using the App Store and log in manually without using the safe passwords. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.